Everyone can make a 5-second AI clip. That's the easy part. What almost nobody can do is make a long one, a full cartoon, where the scenes actually connect and the characters don't turn into different people halfway through. That's what you're watching right now, start to finish, and I didn't pay for a single tool to make it. Every step you're about to see runs on free tools, so stick around, I'll show you all of it. There's one part near the end everyone gets wrong. Stay for that too. Everything starts with the story, and we're going to knock out all the thinking in one move. Claude's doing the writing for us, and here's the best part. We only talked to Claude twice in this entire workflow. This is trip number 1, a single message, and it hands back the whole package. So I drop in my one big command and let it cook. And look at that, the complete blueprint. 30 scenes, everyone with its own image prompt and a matching motion prompt, plus locked character descriptions, so your cast never changes faces on you, because keeping a detailed character looking the same across 30 scenes is the thing most people get wrong. Claude's already solved it for us. The thinking is done. From here on, it's pure assembly. Time to meet the cast. Images come from Gemini, the model everyone's calling Nano Banana, and it's free. Go to Claude, copy both character prompts together, both of them in one go, and paste them straight into Gemini. Hit generate. Boom. Your 2 stars, side by side in a single image, one shared world. Keep this saved. It's the anchor for every scene you're about to make. And in 3D, this anchor is what stops your characters from morphing on you halfway through the story. Now we build the scenes, and I'll walk the first few with you so the rhythm clicks. For scene 1, go to Claude, copy the scene 1 prompt, paste it into Gemini along with your reference image, and hit enter. A second or two, and there's your opening shot. The setup. Who's here? What's coming? Clean. Scene 2. Go to Claude, copy the scene 2 prompt, paste it into Gemini with your reference, hit enter, and check it out. The story's picking up, and the characters haven't drifted an inch from scene 1. Same faces, same colors, same everything. Scene 3. Back to Claude, copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, hit enter. Usually this is where your story throws its first curveball, a turn, a surprise, a little chaos. Scene 4. Claude, copy the prompt, paste into Gemini, hit enter. And in 3D, this consistency is the hard-won part, but that reference image is doing all the work for you. Scene 5. One more time, go to Claude, copy the scene 5 prompt, paste it into Gemini, hit enter. 5 scenes in, and your characters still look exactly like scene 1. That's the whole game. So that's the rhythm. Claude, copy, paste into Gemini, enter. Run it down the line for all 30 scenes, then flip back through the full set and redo anything that looks off before we bring them to life. 30 is a lot. Alright, here's the reason this video exists. To animate these, we're using Meta's brand new toy, and it costs nothing. Go to meta.ai, sign in with your Facebook or Instagram, and open Vibes. That's the entire setup. No card, no trial, no catch. And one quick thing before we start. Open advanced settings and set your video resolution to 720p so your clips come out nice and sharp. Now scene 1. Upload your first scene image, click on it, and you'll get 2 options, auto animate and manual animate. We want control here, so choose manual animate. Then go to Claude, copy the scene 1 motion prompt, paste it into the Vibes prompt box, and hit enter. Give it a moment, and there it is. Your character moving for $0. Watching a still image, suddenly breathe never stops being fun. Scene 2. Upload the image, click it, choose manual animate, then go to Claude, copy the scene 2 prompt, paste it in, hit enter, and they're off again. The story stacking up clip by clip. Scene 3. Upload. Click the image, manual animate, then back to Claude. Copy the prompt, paste it here, hit enter. Another moment captured in motion. Scene 4. Upload. Click, manual animate. Go to Claude, copy the prompt, paste it in, hit enter. Smooth motion again, same character carrying right through. Scene 5, last one together. Upload, click, manual animate, Claude, copy the prompt, paste, enter. That's your loop now. Upload the image, click it, manual animate, copy the prompt from Claude, paste it here, hit enter. Ride it through all 30 scenes, grab each clip as it finishes, and before long, your entire story is up and moving. And the voice tool we're about to use runs free for your first videos, though heavy daily use will eventually hit its ceiling. No surprises, that's the deal. Okay, onward. Your story needs a narrator, and this is our second and final visit to Claude. Same chat, it still holds your whole story in its head, so one short message asking for the narration, and Claude's officially off the clock. It comes back tidy, copy it, head to ElevenLabs, paste it in, and audition a few voices. Warm for something emotional, sharper for something with action. Generate, listen, download. Narrator hired. Final stretch, the edit, where 30 loose clips become one actual story, and this is the part people fumble, so lock in here. Fresh project in CapCut, free as well. And the voiceover goes on the timeline first, always. That audio is your skeleton. Now lay your clips along it, match to the narration. And here's the thing that separates a real animation from a slideshow with sound. The moments have to land together. The stumble hits when the voice says stumble. The big line sits under the big moment, not trailing behind it. Slide each clip until sound and picture snap into sync. That's the entire trick. And it takes minutes once you know it's the thing to watch for. Snappy transitions, kept short. Auto captions on, so the sound-off scrollers stay with you. One final pass, then export. And that's the whole thing. A long 3D cartoon, story, characters, motion, voice, all synced up, built start to finish without paying for a single tool. And exactly 2 messages to Claude, a system you can rerun for any idea in your head as many times as you want. If this was useful, subscribe. There's a new AI animation tutorial here every week. See you in the next one.